the Essex Fun Fest. If you were there, I hope you enjoyed, and here's another look. If you missed it, there's always next year. Everyone loves a parade, and most car owners didn't get a chance to see it as they were parked at the edge of town until it was over. Spectators started arriving about a half an hour before the parade began in anticipation. Is it here yet? Ah, there it is in the distance, coming into view. And the pipers are tuning up. As small-town parades go, this was a good one. It included just about everything, and a very long parade, too. It seemed to run about an hour. And the bands were outstanding. This was one of those community parades that had everything going for it. The Shriners were having fun. Love that car. Love those bikes. There were beauty queens, big trucks, cowgirls and cowboys. Notice the guy skipping through the lasso in the center of the picture. Now that's talent. Weather for the parade and car show was picture perfect. And it was great seeing a lot of old friends and meeting new ones. I'll get to the car show in a minute. The Kingsville Essex Associated Band. There was everything here a small-town fair should have, including tractors, cute characters, and what small-town parade would be complete without fire trucks? I hope you enjoyed that. Now, the car show. Hugh and a few others like Ken arrived early before they closed the main street and were able to park on a side street. They didn't have to wait for the parade to pass them by. Sidewalk visitors were able to watch another parade entering downtown. A parade of classics and hot rods. This is Claude's '72 Pontiac. He wanted a shot of his car to convert into a photo. If you know Claude, please send him this video. I'm sure he'll thank you for it. That's Frank's '34 Chevrolet. He's done a beautiful job on restoration. Wayne's Ford with a 6-cylinder engine. And here's a '47 Ford Business Coupe. Dave dropped by with his '62 Buick LeSabre. Ray's '55 Ford. The people of Essex are very proud of this Spitfire monument, as are we all, honoring those who serve. It's a reminder that the price of freedom never comes at small cost. What a beautiful '56 Meteor Niagara. There's John's completely hand-fabricated one-of-a-kind roadster. Nick's '59 Caddy. Bill's '31 Hudson with a 327. Jack's '53 Studebaker Starlight. Lynn's '34 Chevy, and more cars at the Essex Fun Fest. This '53 Chevy Sport Coupe was built in Oshawa. It's completely stock right down to the tinted windshield. This '49 Ford belongs to Brent and Dennis. It has some customizing. And this '50 Mercury also belongs to Brent and Dennis. Lots of customizing here. It's a convertible, but has a removable Carson top. Don's '49 pickup. Bob was here with his Valiant. Fred brought along his customized '47 Chevy. That's Ralph's, or should I say his wife's Chrysler 300. Ralph is still busy doing the interior on his '36 Chrysler. Mike's '34 Ford. And more cars for you to view. Hi to you guys too. What a nice day to be at the show. This is Paul's '79 Triumph. It used to belong to his dad. The car was painted back in '84 and still looking good. John's '57 Chevy. A Lee Iacocca special from the '80s. Ron's '61 Chevy Bubble Top. Dennis's '65 Chevy Nova Hardtop. Look at all the people checking out these cars. Cars like Roger's 64 Chevy SS, Paul's low-riding 29 Ford, Keith's 51 Mercury pickup. And there's Neil and Ron with their 55 Chevy. Did you know that Bob has owned this 56 Crown Vic since 1959? Ron brought a couple of cars, this 48 DeSoto and this 48 Chevy Fleetline. That's Gary's 57 Chevy, and still more cars at the Essex Fun Fest. Well, my friends, it's time to wrap this up. I have so many images I could go on all day long. But you'll be seeing more of these cars in the weeks ahead. Thank you for taking the time to view. Have a safe summer, and we'll see you at the car shows and cruise nights.